Hi everyone, welcome to SQL. Today in this tutorial, we will learn about software development lifecycle and software testing lifecycle. When we use a mobile app or a website, we expect it to work smoothly without errors. But have you ever thought how this software is created and tested to build good quality software? Companies follow two important processes: SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle. STLC is a software testing lifecycle. In this video, we will understand SDLC and STLC in very easy words with a simple real life example so even beginners can understand clearly. What is SDLC? SDLC is the step by step process to create software from start to end. SDLC steps. First step is requirement gathering. What does the client want? Design. How will the software look and work? In the development cycle, writing the code. In testing phase, checking if everything works correctly. In deployment phase, giving the software to users. And maintenance. In maintenance phase, fixing issues and improving software. This is SDLC example. E-commerce website. First phase is requirement. User can buy products online and design UI database architecture. In the development cycle, write code. In testing phase, check functionality, while in deployment phase, launch website for the user. And maintenance phase, fix bugs and add features. What is STLC? STLC is the step by step process to test software and find bugs. This is phase 4 STLC. First phase is requirement gathering. In requirement gathering, understanding what needs testing. In second phase, test planning. Test planning decided how to test. In the test case design, creating test cases. In the test environment setup, preparing test system and execute the test cases in test execution phase. The last phase of STLC is test closure, final testing report. In this phase, final testing report create. This is STLC example. First, requirement gathering, understand login rules. Test planning, in which create a test plan, decide testing strategy, what testing techniques required for testing. In the test cases, write valid and invalid test cases. Suppose when the user enter valid credentials, user should be login into application, while when the user enter invalid credential, then proper error message should be displayed. If the user does not enter username and password and click on the login button, so proper error message should be displayed. In the execution phase, run the test cases. In closure, prepare test summary report. SDLC and STLC. SDLC focuses on development done by developers, covers full software creation. Software testing lifecycle focuses on testing done by testers, ensure software quality. This is simple sketch to understand. SDLC requirement gathering first phase, then second phase is designing, code, test and deploy. Software testing life cycle flow is first phase is requirement gathering, test planning, test case creation, test case execution, and then report. STLC runs parallel with SDLC testing phase. Why SDLC and STLC are important? It reduces project risk, improves software quality, save time and cost. It ensures customer satisfaction. Benefits of software development lifecycle. It provides a clear step-by-step process to build software, helps in better planning and requirement understanding, reduces development cost and time. It also improves team coordination between developers and stakeholders. Benefits of software testing lifecycle. It helps in early bug detection, saving timing and cost. It also ensures better software quality, improves test coverage and accuracy. So that's our for today tutorial on software development lifecycle and software testing lifecycle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Secure World for more testing tutorials. See you in the next video.